Welcome back, guys, to part 4 of how to make your own action figure. So, this is what we learned in part 3, how to make the arm or shoulder joint. So, alright, let's start again. Usual thing. So, roll this non glued part on the inside, glued part on the outside. Just roll it here across this part, the socket. Well, that's not a joint exactly. I'll show you what it does later. It plays an important role later. It gives, it's very important in giving shape to the upper torso. Just like, just continuously just roll pieces. That's a lot of tape. And yeah, finally that. So like that. So I think y'all may know what that's going to do. Let's see. Anyways, just like that. Do the same thing on the other side. Well, I'll just do that and I'll come back to you guys. Okay, guys, I've done that. I've done the same thing on the other side. So now take cardboard again. Here, thin one, and basically it's going to be a auto plate for it, covering all this space inside. So I think yeah, till there. So I'm going to show it to you like this because I'll need to know how much I will have to cut. So there, that's fine. Now slightly crooked. Anyways, here. So now just cut it over here, just slightly lower than from this whatever this thing here, and right there. There. Bend this inward. This. Cut the excess cardboard here on the sides. You don't need those. Useless. Okay. Now take the tape. Just tape these sides over here. Okay, there. Don't worry, we'll get shape later. Then for the back now, cause geez, that looks bad. So another piece, same thing, just for the back. Only thing this time a little bit smaller because we already have the sides covered. Till there. Yep. Now take this. Just tape these sides together. The back and the front. You want to tape them together. There. So there you see one side. Do the same for the other. Just like so. It's like that. Now take the scissors and cut it like a C. Just like this. Like a C. just like that. So see, crunches in front. Now don't crunch back because to do the same thing on the back. Just like that. And yeah, there you go. Turns, inches in front, inches at the back, and just this you can just curve it back or you can just cut it off. I'm just going to cut it off. Yeah, right there. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I'll see you in part 5. Bye.